Julie from Gonzales, Texas, has a question about wet insulation.
Yeah, they got a little bit of a leak, she says. Julie writes to us, she says, our home is 4.5 years old, and our roof is leaking from more than one place, and we'll have somebody come out and fix the roof and all, but what should we do about that insulation that's gotten wet? Tom?
Well, first off, the thing that concerns me the most is you have a roof that's 4.5 years old.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to use this for everybody watching as an example, and it's leaking in several places. I suspect the roof was put on very poorly.
I would think.
And before you go and just try to fix it, although you need to fix it, you might want to get a second opinion, because that roof could just have been put on so poorly that it's going to always give you problems. So be careful. Don't spend good money after bad money. And also, if you ever get a new roof put on, that 4.5 years should be under warranty. So get a roofer that's going to warranty their work. You know, we talk about Ideal Roofing here, and their warranties can go a long time.
Mm-hmm.
So be careful with that. As far as the insulation, simple answer. You pull it out and you replace it.
So once it gets wet, it's over.
It's best to pull it out and replace it.
All right.
It really is.
You got a question? Go ahead and send it to us. We'll give you a simple answer just like that, or maybe a more complicated one. Depends what you ask. Find out. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com. It's the website where you'll find the Ask Tom form.